What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, here is the deal. We are at Streetcar Takeover, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Kind of a last minute deal, but we wanted to get out here and hang out and see some fast cars. It's gonna be a freaking awesome day, and there's some badass cars here hopefully here shortly. We're gonna go look at it. We're even gonna go look at Skylar's car.
Oh no.
The other Coyote swap, the one that's faster than me.
Oh, look.
What's up, dude?
Good to see you.
You got the nitrous on today?
Yep.
Okay. All right, good deal. So that's why this was gonna stay parked, and I'll just film you racing today.
Sounds good.
Crazy out here already. There's a little Viper action there, and man, there's just all kinds of stuff. And of course, Skylar's car, in case you didn't know, he's got both bottles working, both waddles working. Loving it. Name is deleted, of course. Skylar, she's looking good, dude.
Thank you.
How much nitrous? All the nitrous.
All of it.
Yeah, very, very nice. I need some of those. Looking good, y'all. We'll get to see Skylar run down the track. This thing is an absolute monster. Super, super cool ride. So I am here with Jack, and Jack, I've been drooling over your car for a while.
Thank you.
I mean, it's just, it's amazing. So it is original silver car.
Yes, sir.
Original black interior car.
Yes, sir.
It's a 93. So what do we got going under here?
347 stroker, AFR heads, T-trim Vortec, Porter Eldebrock intake. It's pretty hot little ride.
Got the Mondo blow off valve, and I mean this is a serious.
It makes some out if you want it to, but it's really good mannered, really streetable too.
Yeah, I saw you got the Anderson PMS in there.
Yeah.
How do you like that? Does it work pretty good?
It works okay. I'm actually thinking about switching it over to just a SCT tuner when I get it tuned.
Yeah, I don't blame you. But man, it is beautiful, and then it's got all Maximum Motorsport suspension,
yes, sir.
from what I've been told. And you got the big brakes on it. You guys want to see some clean black interior? My God! Wow. I mean, this is basically the unicorn. You know, a rare color with black interior. Wow.
A good friend of mine here locally built his car about 4 or 5 years ago, and ever since he brought it out, I've been trying to buy it.
Yeah.
About 3 months ago on a Sunday morning, he called me out of the blue and said, "Hey, you still have that silver car?" I said, "Well, possibly, yeah. He said, I'd like to see it in your collection."
So he was ready.
I said, "Well, what kind of money?" And he told me. I said, "I'll take it."
I mean, how do you put a price on cars you can't find?
You know, that's it. That's the reason I had to. I didn't have any choice.
Yeah.
To at least have an opportunity to own it for a while, anyway.
Right. And guys, I'm telling you, there's the quarter glasses, and the paint is just. Now, is this original paint, or has it been repainted?
It has been painted.
Has been painted. Well, it's a. Oh, that's a super nice respray for sure.
Yeah.
But man, I appreciate you letting me check it out.
Ain't no problem.
something that's kind of new as far as what I'm used to is the roll racing on a drag strip. It's actually kind of a sight to behold. So this is basically what they do. They back them up, and then this guy waves them on, and then they go. And that's roll racing. It's like fun. Got a track off here. A little bit of everything. Beamers, 350Zs. Definitely a variety. So I gotta say, guys, when you're out here at Streetcar Takeover and you run into your old buddy Kevin's gorgeous tropical notch, you know it's a good day. But guys, I gotta say, there is a ridiculous variety of cars out here. Like, there is just all kinds of stuff. Nothing wrong with the twins on the S550, and sitting right next to it you got an RDR8, and this car is pretty ridiculous too. Carbon fiber, super cool car. And you got the Terminator right here, and CTSVs and Z06s, and just, yeah, Lightnings, Viper. Pretty awesome cars out here. It's really a good mix. You know, if you've never been to a Streetcar Takeover video and you think it's all just imports, definitely not the case. There's a lot of little bit of everything. So definitely a good time. Guys, I had to stop by, holler at my bud Zethel, check out his little 80 model notchback. This car's wild, dude. Super rare color. See the front end of it? Super cool. Now tell me about the engine.
It's just a basic 302 with a freshly built bottom end, flat top pistons, and stock E7 heads with a B-cam.
Nice. So B-cam Mafia.
Yep.
I love
Got
it.
the dual plane intake, 600 CFM vacuum secondary.
Nice.
Carburetor. Got the BBK shorty headers, just your basic Excel plug wires.
Oh yeah, I love it, dude. Got the SC reps on there.
I figured the color would go good with the chrome trim.
Oh yeah, it looks great, dude. And of course the interior is original. Let's see. Oh, it's locked. Let me go around the other side. You gotta see the inside here.
Lives up to the sticker back there.
Yeah, it's never fast enough. Blue on blue car. It says a T5, and you still got the original rear end in it, right?
Yes.
The 7.5. Dude, I love it. You do not see these cars. Now you got to keep this car and restore it completely. Promise? All right, I got you on camera. All right, Buster. All right, guys. So we are going to make a little dyno pull. I showed you earlier, this little Explorer bottom end, E7 heads, B303 cam, aluminum intake, headers. Pretty solid little combo. All right, what's your guess?
I'm gonna say 210, 220.
210, 220. I'm gonna go a little more. I'm gonna say about 230-ish, but we'll see. It is a T5, and we are on a Mustang dyno, so it's hard to say. But yeah, about to see what she does. Should be kind of interesting. Little carb 302, basically stock, just some bolt-ons. It'll make some good power. All right, here we go. I'm gonna say that's probably not accurate.
No, 122. Maybe more than that.
Well, maybe it made 3,300.
3,328.
Hey, I think it made a little more than we expected.
Yeah, maybe just a little more. We gotta make another pull. Now wait a minute.
All right, there we go. So what's the 2,200 RPM? That was that first little snap
Yeah.
they did.
So we did
So
261. I'm gonna say that torque's a little high. 361.
Yeah, 261 horsepower.
It's not bad. That's
Yeah.
really solid.
Yeah.
I was being conservative at 230, and
Yeah.
that's solid.
It's not bad. Let's see.
All right, first pull was 261 to the tire. Get it all smoothed out here and see what she did. Second pass. Hold on, it's coming. It's coming. 255. We dropped 200. Dropped a little bit.
Yep.
They spin it higher. 4,500, but not bad. Little carbureted 302. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it. As you can tell, long hot day in Bowling Green here for Street Car Takeover. My camera has died, the sun is going down, and yeah, hi Ken. Ken's tired too. Hi Ken. Yes, I'm on my phone, guys, because my camera died. But, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll be back with more track action, more badassery than you can even imagine. Okay, later.